Turn handle installation. Prepare a sanding hex screwdriver. Turn the handle to the appropriate position in the front of the car. Tighten the screws. Organize the line. The position of the line pipe. Straighten it. Finger button open the missing position. And completely straighten it. Then fasten with cable ties. Then the second section. Straighten out the line first. Then the position of the lead wire is installed inside together. OK, straighten it out to this position. Pull out the handlebar cable first. On this, the glue position, and insert it into the controller box. To this section, the brake cable doesn't need to be inserted inside. OK, it's completely straightened. Pull the wire in a little bit. Fix line. There are two quiet slots under the frame. Tie it in with a zip tie. Straighten out. Position of the power line. Pull up the assist line. There is a card slot in this position of the frame. OK, the wires are completely straightened to the control box. Tie a fixed cable tie at this position. OK, at the position of the line, connect to the controller. Wire plugs. The controller is also a 5-wire plug. Single blue docking, single yellow. Brown and purple to blue and brown. After the line is plugged in, tighten the controller box fixing screws. cut the zip tie. Install the controller directly into the controller box. Insert the wires. The position of the seat bulb. Tighten the fixing screw. Assemble completed.